Imagine a world without chaos. A place where we can simply breathe again. High above the clouds, far from the noise and the rush, another kind of life begins. For you alone or with your friends. Care for animals, craft new devices, and harness the power of sun and wind to bring energy to your world. When the horizon calls, board your own airships together, explore distant islands, and return home with new resources, new ideas, and new stories.